Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. Now if you're new, remember to like, share and subscribe. Now Jamaican police have confirmed that they have indeed arrested P0lice for the incident that took place at the Portmore Toll Plaza. Now so serious are these charges that P0lice faces up to 6 months behind the bars for breaking the toll barrier if he fails to pay the $200,000 fine. Now, of course, the arrest did not stop P0lice from going live. I'm going to say what I go on and they will continue the reasoning. Look and listen.
Andrew Holness, come on. Instead of you see much money you pay for make phone call and one bad thing, if your man where you call, say a $500, people see it here. The emperor never yet broke people. So if when they come to the toll where this morning people, them could have said, emperor, you know, say, you forgot to pay the toll, so come here. And people, no destruction was done to the toll way, because I went in here back this morning people and everything was okay. And the toll girl people big me up. So see it here, and you put out a man hunt. Now people, let me teach you something. You have my good friend, Allardyce. Yeah man, so what I have to know say I kidnap them. You understand? Because when they are maroon, you can't get arrested, you know. And them know too, because we're in a different jurisdiction. That's why you see now we have the thing them said by the justice of the peace and all them things, you understand? So what Andrew will say, you know, I would never try knocking, you know, because when everybody else when everybody else now, you know, can't defend, you know, and can't defend the people, and the emperor all of them things there. So right now, what I'm do is unconstitutionally.
So they put that phone them, sir. So
yeah, man.
They're going to put that phone in front of you, yeah?
I'm a simple thing, I don't know.
Yeah, number where you call, no number
yeah.
where you call.
Alright.
If you have numbers where you
Oh,
call.
yeah, royalty. Just take another call, we can't fall.
Alright. Big up a police and safe for royal. Yeah, man, some people, so big up down at Ellison Road people. So this is where affairs came to train for ton police people, but the payment was small, 40,000 at the time. So I'm still saying police to get razor pay, you understand, because apparently people, Andrew Holness now, the Prime Minister, sent out an illegal manhunt for me. I've just realized today. So when the police them say, Emperor, we can't do nothing about it. You understand? So people you know we now gonna have nothing to do, bad for said. The police them style the emperor style the police them. So, you know, people dealt with it professionally and the police have dealt with it professionally. So people just want to know, said, if while I'm out, people, you see, I'm in good health, you understand, and everything is alright with my people, no sickness, you understand, and the station, you see it clean and everything. So the only thing I say, people, I'm still sticking at my gun. We need razor pay for our police them. Our police them is overpaid, overworked and underpaid. So people, I'm at this station, people, and I'm being treated with the uttermost respect, people. You understand? I'm going to get a cup of tea, people, but different from that, the emperor is okay, people. You understand? So big up all my police them who say, Emperor, go on with my daddy, everything good. You understand? So people want to keep on supporting our police them, you understand? And nothing is wrong with me. So people, if while I'm out of the jurisdiction of this beautiful police station, people, and anything happen to me, remember, when I can't send no police down here, so do me nothing, people. I'm okay down here, so big up my colleagues and people who maybe sit down here one time, Father Roach and the whole entourage. I think they're probably still down here, people, and Father Mac and the whole entourage, people. So I'm getting the utmost respect down here, people. So nothing else, see people, sound mind and sound body, you understand? And the police them that assisted me over here, people, because when we have a warrant out, so we're going for to see what's going on. So I was surprised, people, when we see them put out a all-island manhunt for the emperor, which is unconstitutional. And people, even this morning, I went through the tollway, people, and there wasn't a problem with me and the tollway people. So you know people say, I'm jump up a card because everybody, the police is defending them, but who's defending the police? Who's defending the nurse and the doctor? The Maroon Emperor. So now, That they want to depopulate with generation, and I'm the only one standing in their way. You understand? So they come with some chump up card people to try to deframe the emperor character. So why would you send a manhunt for somebody who will say got you up tollway what is $500 Jamaican dollar, which I think in US dollar that is $1 or $2 US, and you put out an all island manhunt for that person? Or to see if people say that now come from corruption people, and a man people donate to society, a man who feed the poor people in the street, a man who look out for the deaf, the blind, and the elderly. But let me tell you something now. We have a police down at Clarendon where one of them foot get chopped off, decapitate, and him on Twitter and social media I feel for support. And I asked anybody down at Clarendon, I was the one who gave him $200,000 this week. So that now is crime for a man who dedicate himself to the force, and when him have him injure people, there's nobody but yet see them take them time for use taxpayer money for send come for a man who would donate back to society for $500. And I went through the toll this morning, people. You understand? So people, notification, I'm at my police station. I say at my police station because I'm the emperor, people. So when I'm fully in power, people, every police, at least the lowest police will be getting $300,000. And I'm still telling you now, Mr. Prime Minister, the police them overtime money, what promise them, and no, them not get it. So I'm glad when you carry me down the station, that's what remind me about these things. So all police, this is an insult and an attack and the police force of this island when you ex-Jamaica, want to call Jamaica, because the emperor is the representative for all frontline worker. So when you believe that you're going to use the emperor to try to make a scapegoat people, or to support the police themselves, and not keep on supporting the emperor. And when they say rotten them till they run cross, and they want the police to spend them on money for clean station. So people, make the police and get good pay. Now when I say, and I told you, the commissioner of police people is just getting, I think, $2 million or $1.8 million a year, people. You see, that's a national embarrassment, and I said it's a crooked money. I wasn't listening to the commissioner. I'm saying for Jamaica to be collecting so much billions of dollars, and the Chinese may make billions of dollars out of the country, and the commissioner of police and get them look a low grade pay there. People, big up Officer Johnson and Officer Chica. Officer Johnson said, LA, call my name. The other day, Officer Johnson come check my people living at Portmore side of my yard of Cumberland. Yeah. Officer Johnson from Officer Chief people, fee pay bill of $100,000 a month, people. And when I look, people, him like bill of $50,000. So check out, do the math. People, we love you know. And I mean, sound mind and body, see there. So, and I mean, good care with the police and the Elliston Road people, trust me. Get my ice water, get all my fruits, people. You can pass my fruits to me, please. Thanks and thanks. See the people, all my fruits. So, big up the officers and people. Them say, Emperor, you're hungry? I'm say, no, man, I'm not eating food yet. About them say, Emperor, see some fruits. I can't know, see the Maroon Emperor people. So, see it? So, big up the police and people. Pine, grape, apple, everything, people. Well, nice people. See the people? So them can't say people. Say, so if anything happened to my people, remember I was at good care.
Now, obviously big up the hard-working members of law enforcement. And even these officers in particular was at this station. Based on the video footage, they must show L.A. Lewis the utmost respect. But talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. And as stated before, some are saying they are trying to make an example of L.A. Lewis. Truth be told, operators of the Portmore toll have not shied away from their reasons. They are saying that because L.A. Lewis has a media presence and he did this on social media while live, it's not a good look for the toll plaza, but the influence where they must say L.A. Lewis have. And they don't want this become a thing where people feel like them can do. For one, it is unsafe. We see that for ourselves. Not when L.A. Lewis do it, but recently when we see one person paying to use the toll and the next person we don't know being unable to stop or trying to pass beyond the toll barrier before it can return for the person get you have to stop and pay to access the toll road. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel, let's pass through. Well, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content. As soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister, them brother, them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning. Join the discussion. The comment section up 24/7. It never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now, until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, for to live, love, and prosper, and for to stay tuned until the reason again.